Are you pressing buttons on your dryer, but it's just not responding? Well, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the touchpad and control panel on your dryer. These instructions apply to dryers made by Whirlpool, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new touchpad and control panel for your dryer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The touchpad and control panel allows the user to select various wash cycles, options, and setting. It interfaces with the washer's control board to initiate the chosen cycle. If the control panel fails, the knob may not select the right cycle, the LCD may not turn on, the buttons on the touchpad may no longer respond, or the buttons may stick or short, causing them to act like they are being pressed without user input. If any of these parts fail, the whole panel will need to be replaced, as the knob and LCD are not sold separately. For this repair, we'll need access to the back of the dryer, so you may need to disconnect the vent hose. For this repair, we'll need to disconnect power to the dryer. To access the control panel, first we'll need to remove the top panel. Using a 5/16 driver, remove these two screws. Then slide the top panel back, lift it up, and set it aside for reinstallation later. Locate and trace this wire from the control panel to the main control board. Gently pull on the electrical connector to disconnect it from the main control board. Then locate this retainer. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, gently depress and push the retainer through the frame of the dryer. Using a 1/4-inch driver, remove these two screws holding the touchpad in place. Gently lift up on the touchpad and control panel as you rotate the top away from the front of the dryer. Make sure to guide the wire through the front of the dryer when removing the control panel. If you need to purchase a new touchpad and control panel, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. This control panel comes with a new knob, LCD, and touchpad, which are not sold separately. It also comes with a new Wi-Fi control board. If you're using the Wi-Fi control app, you'll need to reconnect it to your dryer. To install, guide the electrical connector through the front slot of the dryer. Then, align this tab on the bottom of the control panel to this slot on the dryer. Then reinstall the two 1/4-inch screws. Find the retainer on the wire and push it into this slot on the frame of the washer to secure it in place. Connect the control panel to the main control board. Then align these slots on the bottom of the top panel to the control panel bracket on the top of the dryer. Then slide it forward and reinstall the two screws to hold it in place. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.